Problem starting a car.
Good morning, Sarah. Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am ready. Thanks for picking me up.
No problem. Let me just start the car. The car is not starting. That is strange.
Did you turn the key all the way? Sometimes my car is slow in the morning.
Yes, I tried again, but nothing happens. It is just clicking.
Maybe the battery is dead. Did you leave any lights on last night?
I do not think so, but maybe I forgot. I was very tired.
Do you have jumper cables? We can try to jump the car.
I have some in the trunk. Let me get them now. Here they are, but I do not see anyone else around with a car.
Maybe we can ask one of the neighbors. I see someone over there.
They look busy, but we can try. We really need to get going.
I will ask. Excuse me, do you have a moment to help us? They said yes. They will drive over now so we can try to jump your car.
Thank you so much for your help. I really hope this works.
I am sure it will. We will be on the road soon.
Thank you, Sarah. I am glad you were here with me.
Asking for help with lost book.
Excuse me, may I ask you something?
Of course. How can I help you?
I think I lost my book somewhere in the library.
Oh, I see. When did you last have it?
I was reading at one of the tables an hour ago. After that, I went to the shelves.
Do you remember which section you visited?
Yes, I looked at the art books near the windows.
Did you check if it is still at that table or shelf?
I looked quickly, but I did not see it. I feel a bit worried.
Do not worry. Sometimes people bring lost books to the desk. Can you describe your book?
It is a red textbook with a white title on the cover. It is for my history class.
Let me check on the shelf behind the desk. We keep lost items there.
Thank you. I really hope it is there.
I found a red textbook. Is this one yours?
Yes, that is mine. I cannot believe you found it.
I am glad I could help. Please check that everything is inside.
Yes, all my notes are here. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Have a good study session and a nice day.
Returning cold coffee at a cafe.
Hello, welcome to River Street Coffee. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I would like a cappuccino, please.
Of course. Would you like anything to eat as well?
No, just the cappuccino for now, thank you.
All right. You can take a seat and I will bring it to your table.
Thank you very much.
Here you go, 1 cappuccino. Let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you. I will try it now. Excuse me, Ellen. My coffee is cold.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. May I check it for you?
Yes, please. I was looking forward to something warm.
Let me see. Yes, it is colder than usual. I do not know how that happened.
It is all right. Sometimes machines do strange things.
I will make a fresh cappuccino for you right away. It will be hot.
Thank you. That would be great.
Here you are. This one is hot. Please be careful.
Yes, it is much better now. Thank you.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
Finding the meeting room occupied.
Good morning, David. I need to set up this room for my meeting.
Oh, good morning, Layla. I did not realize you had this room booked.
Yes, I reserved it from 10 o'clock. We need it for our team call soon.
That is strange. I thought it was free until 11.
Maybe there was confusion. Let me check my calendar again. It says I have the room from 10 to 11:30.
I see. My invite says the same time, but for this room as well.
So we both booked this room accidentally? That explains it.
Yes, it seems we did. I can move if you need it more urgently.
Thank you, David. My team will join soon, and we need the screen for a call.
No problem. My group is just running through ideas, but we can finish in a smaller space.
I appreciate it. I hate when this happens, but sometimes mistakes occur.
Yes, double bookings are quite common here.
I will make a note about this for our admin so it does not repeat.
Good idea. I will let my team know we are moving rooms. Thank you for being patient, Layla.
Thank you, David. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Good luck with your meeting.
Wrong mail delivered to neighbor.
Good afternoon, David. Did you get your mail today?
Hello, Maria. Yes, I just picked it up. Is something wrong?
I am not sure, but I found this letter in my box. It has your name on it.
Oh, that is strange. I have not seen this one before.
Maybe the mail carrier made a mistake. This is not my first time receiving other people's letters.
That happens to me sometimes too. I try to check the address, but I still miss things.
Is this letter important? It looks official to me.
Let me look. Yes, it is from my bank. Thank you for catching it.
Of course. I know how easy it is to miss something.
Do you ever get mail for anyone else in the building?
Yes. Last week I got a package for Mrs. Chen. I had to knock on 3 doors to find her.
That sounds like a little adventure. Maybe our mailboxes are not labeled well.
Do you think we should tell the building manager about the mix-ups?
That could help. I do not want to lose something important.
Maybe we can write a note for everyone. We could remind people to double-check names.
This is not my order. Sorry, I wanted to say, that is a good idea. Thank you again for catching my mail, Maria.
You are welcome. I will draft a note tonight.
Great. Have a lovely evening, Maria.
Thank you, David. See you soon.
Hearing the flight is delayed.
Hello, I would like to ask about my flight to Paris.
Good afternoon. May I please see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is. Is everything on time for the flight?
Thank you. I'm sorry, but your flight has been delayed.
Oh, really? How long is the delay?
The new departure time is 2 hours later than planned.
2 hours is quite a long time. Do you know the reason?
Yes. There is heavy rain in Paris right now. The plane cannot land at the moment.
I understand. I just wanted to visit my friend as soon as possible.
We are sorry for the trouble. There are snacks and drinks near the gate if you would like something while you wait.
Thank you. Do I need to do anything special because of the delay?
No, you do not need to do anything. Your seat and ticket are the same.
I suppose I can call my friend and let her know about the new time.
That would be a good idea. If you have more questions, I am here to help.
Actually, will the gate remain the same, or could it change?
Please listen for announcements. The gate could change, but we will update everyone.
This delay will make me miss my dinner reservation.
I am truly sorry for the trouble. We want your journey to go well.
Thank you for your help and for the information.
You are welcome. Enjoy your trip to Paris.
A shopper cannot find their size.
Excuse me, do you have this sweater in medium?
Let me check for you. Which color are you looking for?
I would like the green one, please. I did not see any mediums on the table.
You are right. I see only small and large here. I will look in the back room.
Thank you very much. I really like this color.
It should only take a minute. Please wait here.
Sure, I can wait. I always shop here when I need new clothes.
That is great to hear. Many people like this sweater. It is very popular.
It feels very soft. I like things that are comfortable for work.
I just checked our stock. I am sorry. There are no mediums left in green.
Oh, I was really hoping to get it. Will you have more soon?
Our next delivery is next Wednesday. I could reserve one for you if you want.
That would be great. Could you please save one when it arrives?
Of course. May I have your name and phone number to call you?
My name is Melissa Green, and my number is 555-0142. Thank you for being so helpful.
You are very welcome. I will call you as soon as the sweater comes in.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help today.
You are welcome. Have a great afternoon.
Checking in when room is late.
Hello, I have a reservation for today. My name is Emily Dawson.
Welcome to our hotel, Ms. Dawson. May I please see your identification?
Of course, here's my passport.
Thank you. I will check your booking now. I see you have reserved a double room for 3 nights.
Yes, that is correct. I arrived a little early.
I am sorry, but your room is not ready yet. Housekeeping is still cleaning it.
Oh, I see. Do you know how long it will take?
It should take about 30 more minutes. We had a late checkout before you.
I understand. I am a little tired from my journey.
I am very sorry for the wait. Would you like to sit in our lounge area?
That sounds good. Is there any coffee or tea available?
Yes, we offer free coffee and tea in the lounge. You may also enjoy some fruit snacks.
Thank you. I would appreciate some tea. Do you have green tea?
Yes, we have green tea. I can bring a cup to you while you wait.
That is very kind. I will wait in the lounge.
Ms. Dawson, your room is ready now.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your help.
You are welcome. Please let us know if you need anything else.
Requesting a refund after an event.
Hello. I wanted to talk about the event from last weekend.
Hello, Simon, of course. How can I help you today?
I was not very happy with the event. I would like to ask for a refund.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what happened?
The main speaker did not show up. I came mainly to hear her talk.
I understand that must have been disappointing. We did try to find a replacement. Did you stay for the rest of the event?
I stayed for about 30 minutes, but it was not what I expected. I left early.
Thank you for telling me. We did our best to provide other activities, but I know that it was not the same.
I understand things can go wrong, but I paid full price to attend.
Normally, we do not offer refunds after the event. However, I see why you are upset.
I only ask because the main reason I came was missing. It did not feel fair.
Let me check our policy. One moment, please. Our policy says refunds are possible if a key speaker cancels. I think we can help you.
Does that mean I can get my money back?
I will need your ticket and payment details. I will process this today.
Thank you so much for understanding.
You are welcome. I am sorry again that your experience was not good.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
Forgetting an umbrella at a cafe.
Daniel, are you ready to go? The rain is still coming down outside.
Yes, Maya. I just need to finish my coffee.
Take your time. I hope the rain slows a bit soon.
Me too. I am glad I brought my umbrella today.
You always forget yours. Did you really remember it this time?
Yes, I did. I felt very responsible this morning.
Let me see. Where is your umbrella now?
I think I put it right by my chair. Or maybe... Oh no, I cannot see it.
Daniel, your umbrella is not here. Did you leave it somewhere else?
Wait, I am sure I brought it in with me. Maybe it is at the door?
Let me look by the entrance. There is an umbrella stand over there.
I remember now. I left it in the stand because my hands were full.
Here it is. The blue one with white stripes, right?
Yes, that is my umbrella.
Good thing you have me to check for you.
Thank you, Maya. I really would have walked out without it.
No problem, Daniel. Now we can go and stay dry.
Yes, thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day, Maya.